Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I have come back with another video. So let's move towards the video.
So we are going to study lateral surface area of cylinder. It is also known as curved surface area of cylinder. It is the surface area of cylinder excluding the surface area of the two bases of the cylinder. So the CSA of cylinder, that is the curved surface area of cylinder, has the formula. The formula is 2 pi r multiplied by h. So the formula is 2 pi r h. I am also going to tell the derivation of the formula, how this formula has been derived. For example, if you take the net of the cylinder, it looks like this. The net of the cylinder looks like this. Here are two circles and one rectangle, and when this is folded, our figure cylinder is formed. So when we need to find the lateral surface area, that is the area of this rectangle excluding these circles. So the area, as we know that circumference of circle is 2 pi r. So this length, I am labeling it A. Let's say it's AB. It's ABCD rectangle. So it has this is the circumference of the circle. So as we know, the formula of circumference of circle is 2 pi r, and this becomes the height of the cylinder. BC is the height, 2 pi r h. So that's how the formula is derived. So let us move towards solving this problem. So let me read it out. We need to calculate the lateral or curved surface area of a closed cylindrical petrol storage tank that is 4.2 meter in diameter and 4.5 meter high. B. How much steel was actually used if 1/12 of the steel actually used was wasted in making the tank. So let us see what is given in the A part. So we are given the diameter. Diameter is 4.2 meter, and we are also given the height. Height is equal to 4.5 meter. Height is 4.5 meter and diameter is 4.2. We can derive the radius. Radius is half the diameter, so radius is 2.1. So with the help of the formula, we can find the lateral or curved surface area. The formula is CSA, curved surface area of cylinder, is 2 pi RH. So here 2 into pi, we are taking the value of pi, 22/7, into r, radius, it's 2.1, and height is 4.5 meters. So we can see that it can be cut with 7, 2.1, 7 into 1 equal to 7, and here it will be 0.3. So we get 2 into 22. We know it's 44 into 0.3 into 4.5. So
Action.
so 44 into 3 is equal to 132, and we are adjusting point 13.2 into 4.5. When we multiply 132 and 45, we get 5940, but there are decimal points, so it will be, there are two spaces after decimal, so it will be 59.4. 0 has no value after decimal, we know that, so it will be 59.4, and it was given in meter, so it will be 59.4 meter square. So the curved surface area. So the curved surface area, you can zoom here. So the lateral or curved surface area of this closed cylindrical petrol storage tank is 559.4 meters square. Here let us focus on part B. Here it is asked that how much steel was actually used if 1 by 12 of the steel actually used was wasted in making the tank. We know that how much steel was used because no, we can do that. 59.4 meters square of steel is needed, but 1 by 12 of the steel actually used was wasted. It means that what we have found the curved surface area is just the 11 by 12 of the steel actually used, because the 12 by 12 or 1, that is the amount of steel used. After in that amount, the curved surface area of the closed cylindrical petrol storage tank is 59.4 meters square. So let us move towards solving this question. Let the steel actually used be X. Steel be X. So we are given that the steel which we know that X. So steel actually used is X, and 1 by 12 of that steel has been wasted. So we can determine, we know that it is what steel has not been wasted, except that steel which has been wasted. The rest over steel is 11 by 12 of the steel. So 11 by 12 X equal to 59.4 meters square. This is the curved surface area of the cylinder. With the help of this equation, we can determine the value of X. So we can leave the X here on the left hand side and shift 11 by 12 on to the right hand side. Whenever we shift, we know that thing value which is being divides multiplies, and the value which multiplies divides. So it will be 59.4 into 12 upon 11. So let us divide 59.4 by 11. 59.4 divided by 11. 11 5s are 55. It is 4, and so we bring this 4 down, so it will be 4. Here we will put the decimal point. 11 into 4 equal to 44. So we got the solution. The question is 5.4.
Action.
We need to multiply 12 by 5.4, which was our question in our division. 12 into 5.4 is 64.8. So 64.8 meters square is the steel actually used in making the petrol storage tank. It includes the steel which was wasted. It includes the steel which was wasted and the steel which was utilized. So let us recap what we have done. The CSA of cylinder, curved surface area of cylinder, is 2 pi RH. Here we derived this formula using the net of the cylinder. We multiplied length into breadth, that is the area of a rectangle. We use that formula to derive the curved surface area of cylinder. When we come to part A, we solved it using, we were given the diameter, height, we derived the radius, and then applied the formula 2 pi RH and got the answer 59.4 meters square. Then in the B part, we were given 1 by 12 of the steel actually used was wasted. So we wanted to find the steel which was actually used. So here when we solve for the actually used steel, we are given 1 by 12 of the steel actually used, that is 1 by 12 x. We took the steel actually used x, and we subtracted 1 by 12x from x and we got 11 by 12x. We knew that 11 by 12x, the steel which was utilized, because it was the curved surface area, it was the utilized steel. So we got 59.4 meter square. Then we derived the value of x, and the x was the steel actually used. And we got the steel actually used was 64.8 meter square. Hope you like this video.